Welcome to our channel. My name is Sophie. I'm co-founder of The Living House. We're an online interior design company designing family homes to be lived in. Today is all about bathrooms and 6 key things to consider when designing your bathroom. We've been working with lots of customers lately that are making changes to their bathroom, whether that's a renovation and they're renovating every room in the house, including the bathroom, or they've lived in their home a while and it's time to update their bathroom. Bathrooms are so much more than they used to be in terms of design. All you need to do is look on Pinterest and Instagram, and there's so many inspiration images out there, but it may leave you wondering, how do I achieve that look? Where do I even start? Where would I shop for things like tiles, flooring, bathroom suites? And there's just so many questions that can happen and build up when you're updating your bathroom or renovating. Bathrooms are investments, just like kitchens. It's going to be in the house a long time. You're not going to change it for many, many years. So you don't want to waste money and you want to get it right. Make sure you stick around because tip 3 is an important one to remember when you're designing your bathroom. First of all, you need to focus on the layout, because once you get the layout right, everything else is easier to fall into place. And with any project we do, any room we design for our customers, we always start with the layout, because without the layout, how do you know what shower screen size you need to buy? How do you know where the towel radiator is going to go? How do you know where storage could be? So get the layout right and it will be so much easier for everything else to fall into place. And this is a time, if you're doing a renovation or updating your bathroom, depending on your budget, could you move the toilet to another area? Could you go for a bigger vanity unit? Could you go for a shower and a bath, or does it need to be a bath with a shower over it? So it can open up what your bathroom could be. Sometimes it's hard to imagine how the layout could be different when you've been used to a layout for so long, but really think about the layout and how it can work better for you. I hope you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Storage, and like we say with every room, storage. Storage is so important, especially in a bathroom. So when you're designing the bathroom, think about what storage you can incorporate to make the room work better for you and your family. Bathrooms are busy areas in the morning, especially if you've got a family, people are in and out, and storage is key to keeping organised, and so it's clutter-free in your bathroom. Because let's face it, we have those shampoo bottles scattered around the bath, but you don't need to do that when redesigning your bathroom. There are ways to organise, such as shower and bath niches. We really recommend those. Here is an image for an example. So these are great to put some of your shampoo and conditioner bottles in rather than having them scattered around the bath. So when you are designing your bathroom, really look into how you could create these niches. Also storage, could you go for a vanity unit instead of a standalone sink so you can store things in there? Could you put in built-in shelving? There's things that build up for bathroom storage, such as your toiletries, somewhere to put the towels, somewhere to put the toilet rolls. So really consider all aspects of storage and where you can fit that into the bathroom space. Where and how to use tiles in your bathroom. It was typical that every surface of the bathroom would be covered in tiles, the walls and the floor, and there wouldn't be really any room for paint apart from the ceiling. But things have changed. We now recommend to just use tiles in the areas that are needed. So around the bath, around the shower, above the sink for a splashback if it's needed. So only use them where it's because of the water rather than tiling everywhere, because you can make your bathroom look so much more designed. And don't be afraid to mix different tiles in your bathroom. So we would say stick to between around 3 different types of tiles, otherwise it can look a bit overwhelming and busy unless you're going for a really eclectic maximalism look. But we would say to keep a cohesive look, go for around 3 different tiles, up to that much. So that could be something different on the floor. It could be that you go for simple tiles around the shower, but then you've got a shower niche and you want to make it a bit different. It could be that if you've got a large bathroom, you can mix it up with the bath and then by the sinks. There's lots of different options, and it's not just about what tiles you use, it's how you lay them. So you could go for a really simple tile but put them in a vertical stack, which is a really popular way to lay tiles at the moment. It looks contemporary, and I think it's going to be a really timeless finish as well. It could be herringbone. There are so many different patterns that you could lay your tiles to really add interest. It doesn't mean that you need a pattern tile, it's how you lay them to really keep that designed feel in your bathroom. Elevate your bathroom with lighting. We say it all the time, but lighting can make or break a room, and if you want that really elevated bathroom feel, then lighting is key. There are so many different ways to add lighting into your bathroom. So you've got obviously spotlights, lights, you could do a pendant light, you can do, we've seen some lovely designs where there's pendant lights by the sink as well. There is wall lights, lighting under shelving, lighting in the vanity unit, around the mirror. There are so many ways you can bring in lighting into the space to make it feel that relaxing sort of spa-like feel in your bathroom, but also for practical lighting when you're putting your makeup on, brushing your teeth, everyday tasks, and then that other lighting that's going to create that atmosphere in the space and really elevate the look. Really consider the durability and maintenance of your bathroom when designing it and the materials you're going to choose. It's an important factor, especially if you've got a busy family home. So when choosing your flooring, think about the grout. Would it be better to go for an LVT flooring so you haven't got the grout in between the tiles where it can easily get dirty and build up? So also with the finishes such as the taps, the shower heads, the bath taps, the sink taps that you use, black and anthracite finishes are really popular right now, but something to consider is the maintenance of them. So if you live in a hard water area, lime scale can build up. Just really think about whether that sort of finish is going to be suitable and whether it's better to go for a timeless feel with either chrome or that antique brass. Bring personality into your bathroom design. Don't be afraid to bring colour, pattern, and something that you absolutely love. So if you found a tile that you absolutely love, maybe it's patterned, it's colourful, and you want to use it in your bathroom, then go for it. Don't choose something just because it's on trend right now. Choose something that you're going to appreciate in years to come, and it's, again, your home like any room, so you should love it. Bathrooms don't need to be boring. If you're needing help with your bathroom renovation, tell us all about it in the comments. We can help you plan your space, whether that's a power hour that you need, where we work with you on a 1-hour call to go through your design dilemmas. It may be help with choosing tiles, looking at the layout, or if you'd like us to take it off your hands and design the whole space for you, we can do that with our design packages as well. Let us know in the comments if you're making changes to your bathroom. We'd love to hear all about it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for lots more tips, interior inspiration, and so much more.